Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have the M1 Hybrid Grinding and Polishing Pad. This is a 3-inch, 75 millimeter, about 6 millimeter thick, wet and or dried transitional pad. Literally has phenomenal wear rates, can take out some heavy duty scratches, and leaves a phenomenal finish. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have the Chemtech Chem 100. This is a 3-gallon kit, 100% solids epoxy. It's great for a primer, great for a buildup, and or great for a broadcast. Cost per square foot around 36 cents a square foot. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have the Micron grinding plate. The Micron's great for super hard concrete floors. This tool would literally bite into them right away. Also great for coating removal, glue removal, paint removal. It's a great tool. Subtle scratch pattern, great life. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our Buffalo polishing pads in the 400 grit. The Buffalo is a great pad for wet and or dries. It's our top seller for heavy machines. If you're running machines like Turcos or Prep Masters or Prep Techs, this is a phenomenal pad. Great wear rate, great finish. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our premium double button 16 grits and the soft bond with tapered edges. Why is it a premium? Because it holds 30% higher content of diamond. Look at all those 16 grits. Normally a 16 grit, you have fewer diamonds because they're bigger, but this one, a lot of diamonds, so they prep faster. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our Cobra Cup wheel in the 5/8/11 5-inch. This wheel right here is great for leveling off concrete. If you're doing, spall repair and you have holes you want to just level down, this will do it super fast. If you want to bring down a heavy lip super fast, message me now.